Today's project has to do with the cargo area of the Fisker Ocean. The area where the lift back attaches to the car, there's a little locking mechanism, has sharp edges around it. And I have noticed on some message boards that this can be an issue if you have pets that step on it, or even if you put your hand there. The plastic is sharp and you may cut yourself. One thing you can do is place some protection over that area, and this is where I have this item that I ordered from Amazon. It's basically a rubber edge protector, edge trim. It's 10 feet long, much longer than what I really need. So what I'll do is I'll show you how this works. Here's a close-up of the edge. You can see that there is two sections here, and the plastic from the latch area will fit inside this, and then this part here is soft. So what I'm going to do is cut lengths of this to test out. I'm going to do 3 different sizes and see what works best. You may want it longer or shorter depending on how it fits. So let's take a look at that. The first one that I cut is 9 1/4 inches long, or 23.5 centimeters. The medium size is 8 inches long, or 20 centimeters. And the short one is 4.75 inches, or 12 centimeters. So let's see what these look like installed in the liftgate area. I'll open the liftgate now. Press the key fob button for about 3 seconds. This is the area that I'm talking about. If you touch this edge right here, can be fairly sharp. I guess it depends on your car. Some may be sharper than others. But the issue is if your pet or somebody puts pressure on this area, you may hurt yourself on this edge. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. Here is the larger trim edge protector here. So what I'll do is I'll start it at the bottom corner, and you just slide it in over the plastic and then just route it along. And you go all the way around to the other side. And as you can see, it goes from this edge to this edge. The only issue I see is that this little flap here doesn't go all the way to the flush position, but that really shouldn't make a difference in the use of the locking mechanism on the lift back. So I'm not really concerned with that. I've opened and closed the door multiple times and haven't seen any issues. So that's what this one looks like with the large cut. Let me remove that, and let me install the next size, the medium size. And what that'll do is I'll start that up here. Same procedure. Go over the edge and then push it in. And as you can see, this one goes from basically this beveled edge here all the way around the top and to the other side. The little mechanism here does go a little bit more flush with the surface. All right, let's do the last one. This one's the minimalist, taking up the least amount of space, and what I think is the most important edge, which is the edge along this top part. So let me install that one. And that's what it looks like fully inserted. So anybody touching or anything like your pet touching this will not be scratched by the surface. So it's up to you and how much coverage you want. Personally, I am going to use the longest length version because I feel that gives the most protection of the edge. But that's up to you. So I saved you some time in giving you the measurements for the edge trim here. And if you're interested, I have the links in the video description. There are several different sizes you could probably order, but I ordered this one, which seems to work well with the thickness of the plastic. And sometimes you may need to adjust it so it's even on all the sides here. And there you go. And that's it for the Liftgate Latch Edge fix. The nice thing about this method is that it is completely reversible in case I have a better solution in the future. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I hope you found this video useful. I have been aiming for a new video release every 2 to 3 days. To stay up to date, please subscribe and click the like button. It helps the channel reach more people. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.